This is Dabu7, and if you couldn't tell by now, what we are going through here is something that is on a global scale. This is not just one country in this, dealing with this by themselves. All these world leaders seem to be implementing the same plan on all of its people. That is huge. I hope that is sticking to some of y'all's brains. It's not going in one ear and out the other, over your head. It needs to stick. That world leaders are implementing a plan that they got from somewhere, if anybody cares, to put two and two together and see that world leaders are working together with the same plan against their people. And this is huge. If you can get the people to see this, they can see we are getting played. That this world is the stage that we call it, truly and thoroughly. The EU, and this isn't going to be a surprise to some, they have been planning a vaccination passport since 2018. Meaning, this whole thing with vaccines and ramping it up has been ongoing long before the pandemic. They had a lot of stuff put together here. They even put out a survey in 2018 to see how the people would react to taking vaccines. They go on to state here that it's already about halfway through this whole project that they're running, and that the underlying point of the vaccination roadmap is not an improvised response to the COVID-19 pandemic, but it is an ongoing plan, as it states here. This goes back to 2018. Now, one of the most critical parts about this is it talks about how in their vaccination roadmap, they want a common vaccination card for all EU citizens. This is tantamount to being mark of the beast. This is everything that we've warned you about. This is hand in hand with what Gates and all of them are wanting to do here globally, and he's been working with all these different countries as well. They're all working together here, in on this. It's what most people need to see. But I wanted to point this out and let it be known that this goes back quite some time, and they put this all out in the open in September of 2019, and just 1 month later, guess what? Event 201 was held. So all the information is there to show that there's something massive underway, a massive operation, and as Pompeo even called it, a live exercise. How much more do you need, folks? I'll leave a link. Make sure to follow me over here on D Live. Catch us on the next live stream, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern.